Hello everyone, hope you're right and having a good time. Here you can see it is snowing, so it is night time and I was going to sleep. So I checked through my bedroom window and I saw the snow falling from the sky. So I came down to capture some moments for you. So basically we don't get many snow spells in UK. We do get lots of rain or frosty mornings, but only one, two, or maximum three spells of snow here in UK, and it is not very heavy or it will stick around like for many days. It will just stick for one day or so. So I thought it may not be here in the morning, so I came down to capture some scenes while it's still night and it's still snowing. And we will see tomorrow morning what's the situation and how garden is doing after this snow. So I have just woken up and I checked through the window and it is really beautiful, all white, all bright, looking absolutely pretty. So it snowed all night and you can see it is quite thick. So let's get out to check how actually thick it is. You can see all those rooftops covered in snow and further down the hill with forest all covered in snow. So it is really beautiful, bright and cheery, absolutely delightful. So we do enjoy snow a lot because it only happens 2 or 3 times here in UK. I understand when you get loads of snow every day, it gets really difficult to walk around, drive around, and like there is lots of hazards. So I understand that's not as pretty as it looks, but here it looks absolutely pretty and it feels absolutely pretty. So you can see the same scenery which I showed you last night. Now it is looking absolutely beautiful, all covered in snow. Isn't it so pretty, marvelous? So I have come down to show you how thick the snow is. So you can see it is pretty thick, like 1 to 2 inches I guess, because the shoe go all the way down in it. And it's still morning, not many people are around, and we came out. My kids are going to the park already and my little one is out with me. It's her first snow when she's walking. Last year she wasn't walking, she was a baby. Here you can see all my bushes covered in snow, although it has melted a little bit now because it has started drizzling. So now it will melt in a couple of hours. So before it goes, let's check around. So my bushes are covered in snow but not very heavy. It is quite heavy on the ground and you can't just spot where the patches are and where the driveway is. It is all covered in snow. And you can see our neighborhood people have got beautiful front yards and trees, and there is a forest behind our houses. Everything is so white and bright and covered in snow, looking beautiful, and this tree is marvelous. So this is my front patch, which you can't tell where it is, and my containers, they have got snow on them. So it is absolutely delightful to walk on the snow. Isn't it such a nice feeling to have that crunch under your feet? So you can't stop kids to have fun in the snow. Here is my little one making an angel. And we tried to make a little snowman, which is looking quite weird. And here's the job to do. Clean up the car and clean up the porch after it snows. So here is my backyard and basically everything is covered in snow, all the containers. So it is quite heavy in backyard because the front yard gets a little bit of sun. It's east facing, so of course it melts more quickly there, and here it will stick around a little bit more. So you can see how everything is covered in snow, and we haven't got out yet, so it looks so beautiful when you don't walk around in it, and it's just like heap of like cotton or snow, looking absolutely gorgeous. All the bushes, so it's not very heavy on the bushes are doing fine, trees are fine. It's just like small plants I guess, that are under the snow, and because it's drizzling now, so soon it will melt and you can't tell where the lawn is and where the borders are. So basically everything is under the snow, looking really beautiful, and we are enjoying it a lot. So hope you enjoyed watching today's video. See you in next one. Take care. Bye bye.